Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Jsolanics with Spitzer Chevrolet out in Amherst, Ohio. And today we're at the Cleveland Auto Show getting a first look of the 2024 Silverado EV. Gonna go over the features, walk around it, give you a little review of this new truck. Super excited for Chevy to give me the opportunity to do this. Be sure to like this video, comment below your thoughts on the new EV Silverado, and subscribe to the channel for future videos. Alrighty guys, so here we're taking a look at the 2024 Silverado EV. As you can see here, you have the Silverado, then the E there in the middle. Absolutely beautiful vehicle. I'm going to be talking about kind of what operates it. It's Ultium batteries. It's a new battery platform. It's a little different than the Hummer. Trying out some new things to get more range. 400 miles of range available. This is the highest production GM vehicle for as far as range. Up to 664 horsepower with the 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. Performance is huge on these EV vehicles. That's what they're really trying to get into. 780 pound-feet of torque. Just absolutely insane. Tons of power. People ask about towing with these. The RST, which is this model here, tows up to about 10,000 pounds, and there are future plans to get it up to the 20,000 pound range. So super cool there. It is all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, using the dual motors that are in this truck here. So we're gonna come around to the front end here, and you can see the super aggressive look that this truck has, and just looks super futuristic. Your headlights are here. You have the daytime running lights showing the charge, and then this is a LED strip that goes all the way across the front, and it does have the illuminated bow tie as well. So with this blue, everything lights up super nice. As now you can see it is illuminating the bow tie, and then that front light bar there. RST on the side. So this will be the first edition RST. They're starting at about $105,000. The work truck is starting at $39,900 plus destination, and there's supposed to be a Trail Boss, which they really haven't shown too much information on as of right now. With these trucks here, there are 3 ways to charge them. You have your 120 volt charging, and you have 240, and then the DC fast charging, which is standard on these trucks. So super cool to see that. They're saying as of right now, you can charge a total of 100 miles in just 10 minutes on that DC fast charger. So on this truck here, this is the optional 24-inch wheel package. These things are absolutely humongous, but look sweet. It's not like anything I've really seen with GM before. So you can see the front and the rear. And you don't really realize how big these are until you see them in person. It is just insane. You have the side steps here, LED tail lights on it. We're gonna go a little more in depth with the mid-gate and the tailgate later in the video. One cool thing with this truck as well is they have the 4-wheel steer option. So you can actually change the steering pattern on all the wheels. Just gonna help with maneuverability and a better turning radius, especially in tight spaces. So that's pretty cool to see. They also are gonna just bring out the Ultify, which is a software that keeps the vehicle functioning up to date. It's updated over air updates. So super cool to see that. They want to keep these things great and updated throughout the future, because they have a lot of plans with EV with zero emissions future. That is the goal with GM as of right now. And it does have that Super Cruise Assist feature, which I will show also later in the video. The Super Cruise, it's hands-free driving. You can even do this with a trailer. They have about 200,000 plus miles of compatible road as of right now, which is super cool to see. And it's only going to get better. Looks like you have your charging ports there on the side here, actually. As of right now, it's set for production in spring of 2023, and it'll be a 2024 model. So this thing just looks absolutely sick. And we're gonna dig a little more into the interior here shortly. And just look at this just futuristic, aggressive front end. GM, you did good. And the Hummer also looks great. Alrighty, so very, very important nowadays is storage with these trucks. And this is one of the big factors right here that you have is the E-trunk. So this is a full upfront storage, just like your normal hood would go up where you would see an engine. This is now storage on this truck with plenty of other storage on the inside here. So you can see how deep this actually goes. Kind of cool to see. So you have your normal bed, and then you have all the storage up front here if you want to put bags, a suitcase, whatever. You have the ability to do so. And they got some ridges on the bottom there to keep it held down. So that just opens up just like that, just like your normal hood. Super cool to see. So this is how the power hood opens up to give you all that cargo space as well. So that's super cool to see. It's fully powered up and down on the RST. Alrighty, so here we are getting a look at the inside of the new EV Silverado. A super cool two-tone style seat. Got like the black insert, the red lining, and the white on the sides. That looks super cool. Your typical GM operations on the side there. And then you have this 8-inch cluster up top here that just looks absolutely sweet. Little different style steering wheel, the red stitching. You have the RST there on the bottom. You can see the Super Cruise option. You can see heated steering wheel, all the controls that you're used to seeing on the other Silverados. I love this two-tone style dash. And it does have the heads-up display as well. So showing up there, that is a massive 17-inch touchscreen. Super cool to see. They also have the fixed glass roof up top here. So super, super nice. You have all your trailering options and tools down there. Dual zone climate, heated seats, cooled seats on the RST model. Coming to the back here, you have your mid-gate option. So right here is where the mid-gate comes through. You can see tons of space in the back. It does have a 60-40 split here in the back for that mid-gate. So they're saying with this full mid-gate, you can fit over 10 feet of stuff into the truck. So better view. All broken down there. And then you have your multi-flex tailgate. So you have the tailgate, and then you have the mid-gate as well now, just like your old Avalanche style. And like I said, this two-tone just looks absolutely phenomenal in it. Assist steps on this model here. Now there is no name for this particular color yet, but it just looks super sharp. Another view of this inside interior until we actually see one in the showroom, because this is a pre-production model. Yeah, check this thing out. GM's ready for the future. They're getting with it. Alrighty guys, so that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the Silverado EV. You can reserve one with us at Spitzer Chevy in Amherst and work with me if you'd like. Be sure to like this video, comment below your thoughts on this brand new truck, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Can't wait to get some of these in stock in the future and really be able to drive one, open one up, and go over the features with you guys. But thanks for watching, subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one.